morning. Welcome back to Eye on Real Estate. And again, our goal in these videos is to keep you posted on what's going on in the real estate market. Bob this morning has some current information for you on investment properties and what's going on with them in today's real estate market. Bob?
Something that's not totally new to the industry, but it's kind of a full court press and they're getting very aggressive. It's the allocation of utility costs to tenants. And I'll give you an example. If you have 150 units, and let's say the complex is worth $5 million, you probably have a water and sewer bill of maybe $5,000, electric and gas of $7,000 a month, and let's say trash of $1,000 a month. By reallocating that to the tenants, you're going to save over $136,000 a year, wow, which goes to your net operating income, which in turn, besides helps cash flow, enhances the value of your property. And I know there's some people out there probably saying, well, I have a 4-family, he's talking about a $5 million, 150 unit complex. It doesn't matter. You can save thousands and thousands of dollars by allocating utility costs to your tenants. One other thing I want to share with you, it's kind of interesting. There's something called renter tolerance. And what's happening right now is a lot of times when you increase rents, your vacancy rate increases. People drop out. It's the first time in 12 years we're not seeing this happen. We're not seeing people leaving very quickly, even with rent increases, as long as you stay competitive. So there's a lot of exciting things going on to help, if you're a multifamily owner, enhance your bottom line. What's going on in...
One question, Bob.
Yeah.
So as investors are getting increases in their utilities, we're seeing a trend for them just to pass them on, where previously they didn't do those things.
Yeah, I mean, we started seeing some of this maybe 2 years ago, but right now they're moving towards that direction, which is really a coup for the multifamily owner and the investor.
And I guess the reason for that is we're seeing a very low vacancy rate. Is that right?
Absolutely. This is a great time to invest in multifamily real estate. Your rents, you're seeing rents go up. You're seeing your occupancies go up. You're seeing your turnover go down. And these are all fundamentals for a good and exciting investment in real estate.
Sounds like a great opportunity for investors today.
It really is.
In real estate.
What's going on the residential front?
Well, keeping you posted on the latest activity, I was looking this morning at, and I noticed that in the month of August, about 97% of the homes, excuse me, not 97% of the homes, but those homes that were selling in the first 30 days were getting about 97% of the list price. And about a third of the homes that were selling in the first 30 days. In the second 30 days, they're getting about 92% of the original list price. So kind of indicates to us that that pricing it right in the beginning is of key importance to people selling their homes today. I know people are saying that the residential market is a little bit tougher today, which it is. And but those people who listen to what the market is talking about and pricing those houses correctly are ending up with more money in their pocket in the long run, rather than holding out for the latest, the top dollar. And it's real interesting to see what's going on. The latest statistics are, by the way, that about 49% of homes are selling within the first 60 days. So people are getting the idea that pricing homes today correctly is gonna put more money in their pocket in the long run. And I think people have to take a look at that when they're talking to their agents. They don't want to just hire an agent based on price. They want to hire an agent based on good information and what that agent is going to do to market their home. So I know a lot of people look for an agent to say who's going to determine the price, and whereas an agent doesn't determine the price, the market determines the price. Just like when buying a stock, your stockbroker doesn't determine the value of your stock. The the market determines the value of your stock.
What sources do your agents use to determine the price of a home?
Well, we look at a lot of statistics to show the client what's going on in their market, how many average days on market in their area, what have recent homes sold for. Appraisers today are looking at the same statistics real estate agents use. And our goal is to educate the consumer so they can make a good decision on pricing. Our expertise is not in pricing, just like a stockbroker. Expertise truly isn't, it's about providing great service and marketing to the home seller. So our goal is to provide good information for the consumer to make good real estate decisions.
Norm and I just came out of a meeting actually with a mortgage company, and what did they communicate regarding residential rates?
Well, we're seeing residential rates again approaching all-time lows, and it's exciting to see what is available out there to somebody interested in buying a home today, both FHA, VA, and conventional financing. Rates are really at it's a great time to start talking to people about rates. And even if you're not thinking about moving, you might start looking at refinancing your home because rates are getting that good again.
That's really great information. And those lower rates apply to investment real estate too. So on behalf of Norm and myself, we'll look forward to talking to you next week.